Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing the importance of routine property maintenance in successful property ownership. Join me as we explore the insights and expertise of Alpine Property Management, your trusted partner in property management. Before we dive into the topic, let's take a moment to introduce Alpine Property Management. With their years of experience and dedicated team of professionals, Alpine Property Management has established itself as a go-to resource for property owners like you. Routine property maintenance is a vital component in maintaining the value, functionality, and appeal of your investment. It helps identify and address minor issues before they turn into major problems, saving you time and money in the long run. But it's not just about financial benefits. Routine maintenance also contributes to tenant satisfaction. By promptly addressing maintenance requests and ensuring common areas are well maintained, you create an environment where tenants feel valued and taken care of. Preserving property value is another crucial aspect. Routine maintenance plays a significant role in achieving this goal. From landscaping and exterior upkeep to plumbing and electrical inspections, Alpine Property Management understands the importance of a comprehensive maintenance plan tailored to your property. So how does Alpine Property Management approach routine property maintenance? They prioritize preventive maintenance, conducting regular inspections and proactive repairs. By staying ahead of potential issues, they help property owners save money, mitigate risks, and provide a seamless living experience for tenants. But don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from satisfied clients who have experienced the benefits of routine property maintenance with Alpine Property Management. One of our clients said, "I've been working with Alpine Property Management for several years, and their dedication to routine property maintenance has been invaluable. My properties have been well maintained, and I've seen a significant reduction in major repair costs." Another one of our clients said, "Since partnering with Alpine Property Management, I've witnessed the positive impact of routine maintenance on tenant satisfaction. It's created a harmonious living environment and contributed to long-term tenant retention." In conclusion, routine property maintenance is a key factor in successful property ownership. The insights from Alpine Property Management underscore the importance of regular upkeep to preserve property value, ensure tenant satisfaction, and minimize expenses. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more valuable content, and share it with others who may benefit from this information. And if you're in need of expert property management services, consider partnering with Alpine Property Management. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, happy real estate investing.